Are you worried the Amazon seller space is oversaturated? Are you asking if it's still a viable business model in 2024? Well, I'm here to tell you, there's no better time to start than now. Jungle Scout, known for their Amazon seller tool, also happens to be the pinnacle of Amazon data outside of Amazon themselves. And lucky for us, they release an annual report called the State of the Amazon Seller. They provide us with the most incredible seller data from this past year, outlining the current state and future for Amazon sellers. I analyzed the entire report and picked out the most important things you need to know and show you how you can get ahead of the competition in 2024. So without further ado, let's get started. Selling on Amazon in 2024. Amazon as a whole did $554 billion in revenue with over 300 million customers worldwide. 60% of Amazon's revenue came from third-party sellers like ourselves, with revenue increasing 18% last year, showing no signs at all for reaching a saturation point. In 2023, Amazon's Summer Prime Day became the biggest sales day in the company's history. A significant 60% of Amazon sellers, brands, and businesses expanded to sell on at least one other channel in 2023. With the introduction of the TikTok Shop, it sparked fresh interest in social media selling. 20% of Amazon sellers, brands, and businesses have plans to expand to TikTok Shop this year. The AI revolution has reached the Amazon space, with 48% of all Amazon sellers, brands, and businesses leveraging AI or implementing AI-powered tools to help manage their e-commerce operations. AI is assisting sellers by writing listings, optimizing, marketing, as well as keyword and SEO. We see in the demographics section that 37% of people sell on Amazon while working a 9-to-5. This shows the beauty of FBA, allowing you to run a large-scale operation part-time. A true side hustle, with all the opportunity to scale it full-time. 2024 plans, goals, and challenges. This section outlines how sellers plan to get ahead in 2024. Leading the charts at number 1 is trying new marketing tactics, such as influencer marketing, followed by expansion to other e-commerce platforms as well as increasing market share by launching new related products in their niche. The top 10 business challenges include finding ways to get more customer reviews to increase social proof for your product and brand, as well as finding new products to expand the brand and managing PPC advertising. The latter of which being an ever-evolving tactic to understand the changes Amazon makes to the advertising platform and A9 algorithm. 45% of Amazon brands and sellers say they would consider hiring an agency to help manage their e-commerce business, a 13% decrease from the previous year. Rising costs continue to be a major concern among Amazon sellers, brands, and businesses in 2024, just as they were last year. More than a third say they are worried about increasing costs for advertising, shipping, and goods. These concerns may have some businesses rethinking investments in outside resources. Business models and strategies. How do brands and sellers run their Amazon businesses? Private label is the most common sales model for sellers at a 51% majority, but it isn't the only viable sales model on Amazon. In fact, it can be easier for aspiring entrepreneurs to start their selling journey by taking a different route. There has been an uptick this year with retail arbitrage accounting for 25% of sellers and dropshipping at 19%. Fulfillment methods. Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, continues to be the most popular fulfillment method for Amazon sellers and brands at 82%. However, more than a third choose to handle their own fulfillment, a method known as fulfillment by merchant, FBM. Notably, both FBA and FBM usage decreased over the last year by 3% and 9%, respectively. Trending products and categories. Which categories and products are the most popular and most profitable to sell on Amazon in 2024? The hottest product category is home and kitchen, up 6% from last year. It remains consistently the most popular category to sell in. Sourcing. Product sourcing from China continues to lead the pack for Amazon businesses of all sizes. The number of Amazon sellers and brands sourcing their products from the United States dropped 17% year-over-year, while the number sourcing from India jumped 56%. Product volume. Product volume shows 75% of sellers offer fewer than 10 products on Amazon. Catalog sizes are shrinking for smaller businesses. In 2023, the number of sellers listing just one product on Amazon increased more than 300% compared to the previous year. Pricing. Pricing seems to have remained constant, with 61% of all Amazon businesses price their products between $16 and $50. Sales and profitability. How much money can businesses expect to make through Amazon? How quickly can they expect the channel to be profitable? And what makes a $1 million seller? Even for solo sellers and small businesses, Amazon can bring in more money than the average side hustle. 19% of sellers surpass $10,000 in average monthly sales. With profit margins remaining around the 16 to 25% range, 52% of Amazon sellers report sales above $1,000 per month, and 30% of Amazon sellers report sales above $5,000 per month. 25% more sellers, brands, and businesses saw profits from Amazon sales increase in 2023 compared to the previous year. More than a quarter of small sellers say their Amazon profits increased from 2022 to 2023, with 30% of sellers having lifetime profits over $50,000. What it takes to sell on Amazon. For most businesses, 64%. This upfront investment is less than $5,000, and 25% spend less than $1,000. Fortunately, the payoff is high. More than a third of sellers turn a profit in less than 6 months, and 58% of all businesses are profitable within a year of launching on Amazon. 81% say they at least partially funded their business with their own cash. Time investments. Almost 3/4 of sellers and brands have been able to get their Amazon business up and running in less than 6 months, with an ongoing time investment of between 4 to 20 hours per week. The number of sellers who report spending just 4 hours or less on their Amazon business each week increased 138% in 2023 to 19%, up from 8% the previous year. Marketing investments are a major component of competing in e-commerce. Amazon itself is the top place for advertising, with 58% investing in pay-per-click ads. Nearly half, 47%, of sellers spend less than $500 per month on Amazon advertising, with the majority of sellers spend anywhere from $0 to $2,500 on monthly advertising costs on Amazon. Nearly 1 in 5 brands, 18%, has worked with social media influencers to promote their products. What's the top motivation and success factors? 43% of people want to build a nest egg or savings fund. 39% want to be able to quit their 9 to 5, and 35% want to retire early. Paying off debt and luxuries and travel follow close behind. The top factors that lead to success in selling on Amazon, according to sellers themselves, is finding a high-demand, low-competition product to sell, having enough money to invest, and having the necessary tools and information to help. This is where the Jungle Scout tool comes in. It's an all-in-one Amazon seller tool to help you quickly and easily find, list, and sell profitable products. I've put a discount link to it in the description. All the data we covered in this overview, there's one that's most important that I want to leave you with. 70% of Amazon sellers say they wish they had started selling online sooner. With that said, thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.